Have you ever considered how the simple act of mindful eating could be a powerful catalyst for mental well-being? Today, we delve into this fascinating interplay between the food on your plate and the state of your mind. Mindful eating, a practice rooted in the ancient tradition of mindfulness, encourages us to fully engage our senses with the process of eating. It's about savoring every bite, appreciating the flavors, textures, and aromas, and acknowledging the nourishment it provides. It's about being present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. But why, you might wonder, should we pay such close attention to our eating habits? The answer lies in the profound impact food has on our mental health. Our brain, like any other organ, requires specific nutrients to function optimally. When we consume a diet rich in these nutrients, we are essentially fueling our brain to perform at its best. Now let's talk about organic nutrition. Organic foods are free from pesticides and artificial additives, which have been linked to a range of health issues, including mental health disorders. By choosing organic, we not only reduce our exposure to these harmful substances, but also consume more nutrient-dense foods. Studies have shown that organic foods often contain higher levels of vital nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. The connection between mindful eating, organic nutrition, and mental well-being is further strengthened when we consider the gut-brain axis. This complex bidirectional communication system links the emotional and cognitive centers of the brain with peripheral intestinal functions. An unhealthy diet can disrupt this relationship, leading to poor mental health. Conversely, a balanced organic diet can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, thereby supporting mental well-being. But it's not just about what we eat, but how we eat it. Eating mindfully helps us recognize our body's hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and promoting a healthier relationship with food. It encourages us to slow down, to appreciate our food, and in doing so, reduces stress and anxiety, contributing to improved mental health. In summary, mindful eating and organic nutrition are powerful tools in promoting mental well-being. By being present in the moment and making conscious food choices, we can fuel our bodies with the right nutrients, support our gut health, manage our emotions, and ultimately, enhance our mental well-being. It's truly remarkable how much control we have over our mental health just by being mindful of what's on our plate. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember, it's not just about filling your stomach. It's an opportunity to nourish your brain, to cultivate mental well-being, and to celebrate the simple joy of eating. A moment of mindfulness can make all the difference. Thank you for tuning in to Healthy Living Boulevard. If you found this video helpful, don't miss out on our future content. Hit that subscribe button